Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to do our unboxing and initial impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 in Graphite. Now, to be very honest, the color is more close to being black, but you have the box, and inside the box you have the phone. Other than the phone, you also have your quick start guide, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Unfortunately, a trend which has been set by Apple, there is no charger inside the box. So here it is. This is the Z Flip 5 out of the box in all its glory, and as I said earlier, this is the graphite color, and of course, as you can see, it is a fingerprint and a smudges magnet. I see myself wiping this graphite or black color of the Z Flip 5 all the time. It looks super ugly to me because of all the fingerprints and the smudges. So let me give it a little wipe and let's see how it looks now. Yep, there it is. Much better. And the sides here are also made out of metal. So on this side you have your fingerprint scanner and the power button. Then you have your volume rockers, super tactile. The feedback here is pretty good. Other than that, you have your antenna band lines. On the top you have the noise cancelling mic and some more antenna band lines. On the other side you have your SIM card tray along with more antenna band lines. On the bottom you have your Type-C port, the speaker grill, two microphones, and this here is the hinge. There it is. You can see it closes perfectly. There is no gap left over there, so that is an improvement over the Z Flip 4. On the back of the hinge you have some Samsung branding, but if you move your finger over it you cannot feel it. Again, the material here is pretty glossy, and again, this is super disappointing for me that the graphite or the black color is going to be a fingerprint magnet which you will have to wipe all the time. As for your camera bump, here it is. This is the camera bump on the Z Flip 5, and this here is your LED flash. Let us have a look at the cover screen. So they have definitely made some improvement in that regard. The cover screen now is big enough and I think more useful. As for the crease, do you see the crease? Well, as you can see, it is still the same as the Z Flip 4 in my opinion. If light falls on it at certain angles, you are going to see the crease. If you move your finger over it, do you feel the crease? The answer to that is still yes. I think foldables do need a few more years before this crease is totally gone, but other than that, it is good to see that the phone now closes fully shut. And on top you have the cutout for your front camera, and you also have the speaker grill over here. You see these three cutouts, those are your speakers, your earpiece, and the speaker grill. So all in all, initial impressions of the Z Flip 4 feels the same. See, yeah, it feels the same like the Z Flip 4 in hand. So initial impressions of the Z Flip 5 are same as that of the Z Flip 4, other than two noticeable changes. One, the cover screen here is now big enough and hopefully more useful, and the phone is fully shut. And there it is, peeps. That will do it for this one, and see you in the next one.